evening, everyone. Yeah, I'm the Mars landing site guy. And let's see, it's been a while since I was here last, maybe for the last landing site we selected. So where will the Mars 2020 rover go and why? So first of all, what's so cool about this red planet? Why is that gaining so much interest? What's so special about it? We do know from lots of investigations that Mars was probably both warm and wet, and very likely very much like the Earth at about 3.94 billion years ago. What's so special about that? Well, on the Earth, the very first life began at about then, just after the planet had accreted most of its mass. It had gone through terminal bombardment. It had cooled enough. There was liquid on the surface, and life started. And that suggests that life would begin almost anywhere, that the one absolute key ingredient you must have exists. And that key ingredient is water in the liquid phase. So here's our next door neighbor planet, just right next door, the fourth rock from the sun. And it had the same environment at the time when our progenitors sprang to life. So you can ask perhaps one of the most important scientific questions, and you can address it in a scientific manner. Are we alone in the universe? Will life form anywhere that liquid water is stable? Or do you need some one chance in a gazillion that would spark that thing to begin? Was there a second genesis? Did it happen on Mars? And that's what our Mars program's about. Yeah, it's cool to send rockets to other places. Okay, I'm a space geek, I admit it. but that's the driving question that we want to answer. And this landing site is all about going to a place where the evidence would suggest that the environment was both wet and a place where bugs would like to live, and where they might both have started. And not only did they start there, but you have a chance of sequestering them, of getting them locked up in the rocks so that if you go there and you bring the rocks home, you could see the evidence for it. That's what Mars 2020 is all about.